Once upon a time, in a small town surrounded by hills, lived a young man named Noah. On the outside, he looked fine, just another hardworking young guy, but inside, he was exhausted. His head was always full of thoughts, regrets from yesterday, worries about tomorrow. What if things go wrong? What if I fail? His mind kept spinning, and he didn't know how to stop it. Nights were sleepless, mornings were heavy, and even simple days felt like too much. One afternoon, walking through the market, he overheard a few travelers talking. They mentioned a quiet village high in the mountains, a place where an old man lived. They said this man used to be a well known therapist in the city, helping countless people find peace. Now, retired and living close to nature, he sometimes guided visitors who came to him. Something about this stayed in Noah's mind. That night, lying awake again, he thought, maybe this man can help me. Maybe I can finally learn how to be calm. The next morning, he packed a small bag and left. The journey was not easy. The roads twisted through forest and rocky paths. His shoes wore thin. His legs ached. But the thought of a quieter mind kept him going. After days of travel, Noah reached the mountain village. It was quiet, as if time moved slower there. At the edge of the village was a small cottage covered in green vines. On the porch sat an old man with white hair, eyes closed, completely still, as if listening to the wind. Noah walked up and said softly, "Sir, I can't stop thinking. My mind is restless and tired. I want peace. Can you help me?" The old man opened his eyes and smiled gently. Without many words, he stood and led Noah to a small yard behind the cottage. There, he filled a simple glass jar right to the top with water. Then he handed it to Noah. "Walk to the far end of the village and back," he said quietly, "but do not spill a single drop." Noah hesitated but agreed. Holding the jar carefully, he stepped onto the narrow road. The path was uneven. Children laughed and played. Dogs barked. Vendors called out, but Noah didn't notice. His world had shrunk to that one jar. Every step was slow and careful, his eyes fixed only on the water. When he finally returned, the jar was still full. "I did it," he said, almost surprised at himself. The old man smiled and asked, "Tell me, did you see the children? Did you hear the noise?" Noah shook his head. "No, I was only focused on the jar." "That," the man said, "is the lesson. When your mind stays in this moment, there's no room for regrets or fear. Peace is not out there somewhere. It's already inside you. You just need to focus." Something shifted in Noah's mind that day. For the first time in years, the noise in his head went quiet. As the sun set over the hills, Noah walked back down the path. He was the same person, but lighter, because now he knew that peace was not something to search for. It was something to practice right here, right now. Peace doesn't come from running ahead or looking back. It comes from being here, fully in this moment. If this story gave you something to think about, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple but life-changing lessons.